What do we have here, boys? Think we got some goodies. I think I know what it is. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll notice that logo. And I think it's our first sponsorship, partnership, whatever you want to call it. I'm excited. Let's open this up. So guys, like I was saying, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know exactly what this is. This is my first sponsorship / partnership with a company for the truck build. I'm excited. This actually came in perfect timing because I'm actually going to be washing the truck today. But let's go ahead and open this up. If you guys want to, can't show my address there. If you guys want to try these products out, I'll pop up a little discount code right there on the screen. 15% off your order if you guys want to try it out. Oh yeah. Sweet. Looks pretty neat. I'm excited to use these products, but here they are, guys. We got a ultimate wheel cleaner. Gonna try that out today. I need to polish the wheels. All-purpose cleaner, tire shine, and everyone loves this undercarriage spray. Oh yeah, these look pretty good, guys. But I'm gonna give an honest review, not just because it's a sponsor, but I'm gonna give you guys an honest review and let you guys know, let you guys know what I think of these products. But we're gonna use them today. Came with a nice tire brush, foam applicator pad, and 4 spray nozzles for the bottles, decal, and nice microfiber. It's pretty soft. But we're gonna put these to work. I guess I can start the day, the vlog. I guess it'll be a vlog today. But since that came in, we're gonna head out. We're gonna go to the wash bay down the street and get the truck washed up real fast and try out these products. But we also need to run to a few stores, run a few errands, and but definitely gonna try to polish the wheels on the truck today after I clean it. That definitely needs to be done. It's long overdue. So we're gonna try and get that done and see what else we can get into. So let's go. Before we take off, I want to let you guys know something that I do. You know, with the weather being cold, a little helpful tip if you drive a diesel. Just something I do before I take off in my truck. Shout out to the beautiful lady there. But something I do before I take off in my truck is I normally let my temps get up to about 100 degrees, both my engine coolant temp and my oil temp. I normally let them get at least to 100 degrees before I drive off in the truck. That's just something that I do, a little habit. I don't know. The truck seems to drive a little better once you let it get up to a little operating temp, and the trans temp as well. But the trans temp really won't increase as much until you start driving. But I just want to let you guys know a little something that I do before I take off in my truck. Guys, check out this sick Jeep Gladiator. This is the first one I've seen in my area lifted in, I want to say it's probably 38s, maybe 40s. It looks sick.
It looks so tall. I'm about to catch up with it one day, get a video on it.
Oh my gosh, just look how disgusting this truck is. It's really not that bad, but it really is at the same time. I don't like to get my truck this dirty, but it happens. Where I work, there's always something on the road. And having stance doesn't help. It slings everything up the truck, all over the side, so it makes it a little worse. But we're about to get this thing cleaned up. Looking good. I need to open that. Get the steps out. Clean all of that. Amp steps. But set you guys up on time lapse. We're about to get this thing cleaned up, use our new products, and see how good they work, and give you guys an honest review. So let's get it. Y'all guys thought I used that? Nah. Quick tip: always bring your own wash bucket, and if you use one of these, bring your own pole. I guess you'll call it a microfiber on a pole. There you go. I always bring my own stuff. I never use the stuff that's at the car wash. Never. But yeah, wanted to throw that in there. I use my own stuff. Wheel bucket, soap, and we're gonna be using our new wheel cleaner. So let's get it, guys. Made it back to the house, guys. Truck's all cleaned, looking a lot better than it was. Finna head to Harbor Freight. Actually pick up something that we're gonna need. You can see I'm in the process of polishing the wheels right now. So we're gonna go pick up something from Harbor Freight while it's on sale that we also need for the garage anyway. So yeah, we're gonna go to Harbor Freight, but quick note, check out that polish, guys. That's just the first pass. And they're already looking 100% better. So this is what they were looking like before. Just disgusting. That's just the first pass on this wheel. And yeah, so we're gonna get those things all polished up, but we're gonna go pick this up real quick. Try to come back and knock out maybe 2 wheels today, and we'll probably do 2 more tomorrow. But let's get it, guys. I'm excited. got a lot of stuff to do for the truck right now. Hopefully I get a lot done this week. So let's get it.
Survey of average discounts offered by Ford dealers nationally. Discount may vary. Dealer determines price. For all offers, take new retail delivery from an authorized Ford dealer.
Steps come out.
So this is what we picked up from Harbor Freight. 3-ton low profile jack. Right off the bat, I noticed a few changes that they made on the Gen 2 or Series 2, whatever they want to call this. I had another one, the silver one, and the pole on it was a lot thicker, robust than this one. But the jack, for the most part, looks the same. That's just something I noticed off the bat was the handle. But we're gonna get this jack so it can help us polish the wheels. We can jack up the wheel and be able to spin it, help us out a little bit. But we needed one for the shop or future shop anyway. So just went ahead and got it. So this video will be a completely different video, polishing the wheels. So don't expect to see that in this video. But yeah, got us a new jack. What up, guys? As you probably can tell, it's the next day. Finished washing the truck, and I polished one wheel, I didn't do the other ones. Ran out of time, then, you know, today, on to the next thing. So I'll get to them one day, soon, probably this afternoon. But we're currently in New Orleans, riding around, terrorizing them streets. No, I'm just playing. But going to a little spot so I can take some pics of the truck, get some new Instagram pictures, because I don't have any right now. So we're gonna do that. Probably gonna end out the vlog with that, and yeah, that'd be y'all can catch you in the next one. But I hope you guys like the video. Let me know if you like the vlog style videos as well as the how-to and DIY videos. But I'm gonna get these pictures. Y'all go down below, hit the like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. And see you guys in the next one.